about static method, and we learn about class methods. What advantage does a class get with the reference of class? Okay, the topic of this video will what can we do with class method. Let's move to the computer screen and let's get started. We learn about class in Python, and classes are way to define custom data type. For example, int and float. There are built-in classes in Python. We use classes to create custom data types. I already have told you this. But we read about static methods, but what are class methods? What basically class method does is, class method is a type of method that is bound to in the class and not the instance of the class. Okay, whatever method we make in class, for example, let's suppose if I create a class employee. Okay, let's suppose I will be right here, and I made method with name so I told you that I have to add a self here. And let's suppose I have to write something like this here. Now, what you can do, you will be erase this and you will be write the name is, and then you will be write self dot name and write like that. And when you will be write like that, and now okay, so now what we can do when we if we create a method, so by default item will be made for instance and not for class. But if I want to able to change class variable, so let's suppose here I will be write company equals to apple, and I want here I will want, let me write there and company is and self dot company, and you will be write like that. And when you will be write like that, so now let me tell you what you will be write here. And now I like to access this class variable. So how can I do that? Let's suppose I want to create a method, and I want to able to change company. Like here I will be write enter. Here I will be write like def in this method change company in this method, and then you will be write like here like that, and you will be write like cls comma new company and write like that and that in this method. Okay, and I want to class to available, like I will be do that. And now what you can do, and I like to add new variable with name new company, like I will be added in this. Okay, and then what I will be do, I want to create a function and which can help me to change the function, and then I will be in, so I can do this. Yes, I write cls and new company, like cls dot company slash company, and I simply write cls dot company hashtag new company. Okay, like here we can write like new company. And now like I will be write like here done. And now how better you will be, how better would it be if this happened? I will be go down and now and here I create, let's suppose E1 equals to employee and that, and like and okay, so like I will be write like that easily as. And now and here I write like here I will be write like E1, and here I write E1 dot name equals to Ryan, and then you will be write your own name. It is your own choice, okay? And if I run E1 dot so E1 dot so and then so the details of this employee will be shown. Like here I will be go here and then run, and like you will be seeing is giving the error into the cell. Like I will see it into the self, he will be giving me the error where it will give me the error file line 3. So def here unexpected debug, I will be like see it like so def so left and like right like that company, and here it is one like let me see it def, it will giving a debug. Like I will be do all things perfectly like company that, and I will be write like def so and self, and then I will be write like that, but it will be giving the error. Why? Like I will be erase here, and again I will be write like def so okay, let me tell you def so then we will be write like self, and then we will be write like that, and then it will be when I will be run it like that again, so it will be giving a error again. Why it will giving the error? The print name is, I will be do all things perfectly, but I will be let's see. So now let me tell you it is that, and again you will be write like that, then you will be run, and when you will be run it is coming that the name is Ryan and company is Apple. Here we will see it is coming like easily, and so sorry Apple, now I like to change E1 and okay, and after changing the company name I want to name it, let's suppose first of all I will be change the company name like E1 dot change company then here we will be write like you will be write your own company name. I will be write like Tesla, and here I will be write like Tesla is our company name, and like E1 dot change company Tesla, and then what I will do, and then I want to run E1 dot show again after changing the name, and then I will be go here and I will be see there is one mistake. Like here I will be write like E1 dot and here I will be write like E1 dot change company Tesla. And now what I will do here, I will be done, and when I will be do, and I want to copy it and paste it here. And now what I will be do, and in fact I like to do it like this. I will be erase it, okay, I will be erase it, and I will be do like copy it, and I will be paste it just like that. And now if first I show the name in Rayan and the company name is Apple, and when I change the company, so it will be changed to Tesla. Like I will be go here and run it, so it will giving the error the change company like E1 what I will be do, here's one mistake like Ryan, and here's a so, and there is a identify like even dot change company, and the company is Tesla, but I will be do like this. So now let's see it will giving the error or not. It will giving the error. So let me see what type of error. So now let me tell you it is that, and again you will be write like that, then you will be run, and when you will be run it is coming that the name is Ryan and company is Apple. Here we will see it is coming like easily, and so sorry Apple, now I like to change even, and okay, and after changing the company name I want to name it, let's first of all I will be change the company name like even dot change company, change company, then here we will be write like, you will be write your own company name, I will be write like Tesla, and here I will be write like Tesla is our company name, and like even dot change company Tesla, and what I will do, and then I want to run even though show again after changing the name, and then I will be go here and I will be see there is one mistake like here I will be write like even dot, and here I will be write like even dot change company Tesla. And now what I will do here, I will be done, and when I will be do, and I want to copy it and paste it here, and now what I will be do, and in fact I like to do it like this, I will be erase it, okay, I will be erase it, and I will be do like copy it, and I will be paste it just like that. And now, and if first I show the name in Ryan and the company name is Apple, and when I change the company, so it will be so you will be erase that and you will be rewrite that. So now when you will be run, and here is coming the Ryan and company is Apple, and the name is Ryan and company is Tesla, and I will be say company so it will be changed to Tesla. What happened is I feel like I changed the class variable, okay, but let me check if it's changed in real or not. Like so I print here print employee dot company. So if you think I print Tesla, it print Tesla, but so if you absolutely wrong, it will be print the Apple, okay, like I will be run it, so it will, here you can see it is coming at Tesla, okay, here you will be see it, and here you will see it. I will be tell you all things in class methods, so I hope you will be enjoy this class. Python class methods are a powerful tool for defending functions that operate on the class as a whole rather than on a specific instance of the class. They are useful for creating factory methods, alliterative construction, and other types of methods that operate at the class level. With the knowledge of how to define and use class methods, you will start writing more complex and organism code in Python. Okay, so I hope you can enjoy this class. Enjoy, please like this video, share often, and subscribe to my video, subscribe to my channel. So I'll meet you next class, and please access my Python playlist also. So I'll meet you next class and next very amazing class. For today, goodbye.